Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful pattern of owl. So let's get started. To make this pattern of owl, you need a wooden ring. You can use any ring, metal ring, acrylic ring, whatever is easily available. And I will attach this by the help of flaxhead knot. Fold the cord in half and then attach it to the ring by the help of flaxhead knot, like this. Now we are going to make this V-shape pattern by the help of square knots. We will make square knots here and then we will make V-shape. Leave these two cords and then make square knots by using the remaining 8 cords, like this. Once you're done with this V shape, bring all the cords down, and now we will use these 2 cords which we left before, and now we will take this one and we'll make double half hitch like this. So now I just completed these double half hitches and I reached to this point. Now we want to attach this. So we will make one more double half hitch, and in this way these 2 rows will be attached. Now the same thing will be done by using this and this. We'll make double half hitches like this. Now we will divide these cords like 4 here, 4 here, 4 on the both side and 4 in the center. We will make owl beak here, and then we'll add beads here to make eyes, and then we will make some square knots here. After addition of beads, now we will make a square knot underneath this bead and make a square knot tightly here and here. Now by picking these 2 central cords, add a bead here, and this should be little cylindrical or oblong in shape like this to make a bead. And then we will make another square knot underneath this bead. Like this. Here you can see I just made 14 square knots here and 14 square knots here. Now pick these 2 and these 2 coming from the beak and then make a square knot, and we will join them to create a owl face like this. Pull the cords gently and firmly like this and make a square knot on the both side. In this way we will have owl face like this. Now we will pick these two from this square knot and these two coming from the eye, and we will make square knot on the both side like this, just beneath this face outline. So after making this square knot, now we will make square knots by using these four and these four, and we will continue making square knots here. After completing the body of this owl, now we will make square knots here on the both sides. So here you can see I just made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 square knots here. And now I'm experiencing the side chords are very short and the central are long. So I will switch them. I will take them behind like this. And then I will make square knot by using the central square knots. So here you can see I just switched these square knots, and this one is the 13th square knot. And now we will continue and we will make 20 square knots in total. Now after making the 20 square knots, we will use these two and these two. These two square knots will be joined like this. And then pull the two central cords to balance it. So this is what we have now. Grab all the cords. Few are the shorter one like this. Grab them and tie them. So to finish this, I just gather all the cords and then I just make a gathering knot here and then just trim the tail. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful pattern of owl. You can add such beads in the central ring here. It's totally up to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.